Well, guys, 2024, we're here. And guess what? Jordan 1 team, or should I say the Jordan team, hey, we starting out the new year, I think, on a good note. Right now, guys, what we have for you right now is the Jordan 1 High Yellow Ochre. What can I say? Don't look too bad, man. Let's check out the details of it. Let's get it.
JHC Beats.
Well, guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back. You already know who it is, your boy T right here. And yo, this is the first sneaker video of 2024. And I must say, these sneakers that just released, that just dropped, the Yellow Ochre, the Jordan 1 highs, I must say it's a good start. Now, I must say, just jumping right into it is, was it really the perfect start? I don't know. I think it was a good move. I think it was a good way. I know some more Jordans, I think some 6s may be coming out the same color, but I think this colorway here may be the colorway for this year. Now I know y'all wondering, like, man, what's going on with the hair, man? But hey, we're doing some things over here, right? So don't judge the hair. No, I'm just talking. Yo, got the Pac-Man shirt as well going on. But anyway, that's besides that. It's back to the video here. Yeah, so what we got right now, again, guys, like I said, I think this may be the color for the year. I could be wrong. I don't know. But just starting out with the way it looks, hey, this is actually a good start to the actual year. Jordan 1 High Yellow Ochre. As you can see, we got this nice colorway. We were gonna dive right into it. If you did cop a pair, I would say, like I said, true to size. They do come with an extra pair of laces, and I must say, material on them looks pretty good. All right, so just diving right into the box though. Here we go. We got the nice Nike in a yellow ochre colorway, and this is like a nice sail box going around the actual Nike colorway. Nothing too much different here. You got the Nike here and that yellow ochre, and then you do see the Air Jordan 1 at the bottom of the box as well. Same tissue paper inside, which is a nice white tissue paper, and that's pretty much it for it. But as you can see, I feel like they are starting to dress the boxes up as with the sneakers colorway look, which I think is a pretty good move. I think it's pretty cool. Will they keep doing it? Who knows? I don't know. Or I mean, especially with special releases, we don't know for sure. But all in all, let's just dive right into what we have today, and that is the yellow ochre Jordan 1 High, which I think this is a beautiful colorway. Nothing too crazy about it. It is not your taxis. It's not that kind of taxi yellow. It's not that vibrant high yellow. It's like a mustard style. I don't know. I think yellow ochre is the actual color, but if I had to go with it, I'm gonna say like a burnt yellow. It's a darker one, more of a fall style type colorway, but it fits this sneaker really well. Now just diving into it, like I said, it does have the color blocking of the actual UNC Jordan 1s. If you take the UNC colorway, put on this sneaker here, you would get this here. Again, like I said, really pretty cool. I always like the Chicago style look. You got the white here, things like that to sell, and then you have your actual yellow ochre that's just dressing the whole sneaker with the black swoosh, black laces, the same standard tongue, and like I said, we do have the Nike Air in black with the yellow ochre around it. All right, so yeah, here we go. Again, guys, nice, vibrant color. As far as when it comes to the texture, look at that tumble in that there. Actually, in that sail, that's a nice tumble going on there, and that sail colorway here is on both sides. It looks pretty good, especially on the actual tongue. Look at that tumble. It looks really good on the sneaker here, so that lets you know it's nice and soft. So hey, we got some pretty good material, for this sneaker here for the new year. So I'm not tripping on that right now. So as you can see, yeah, like I said, you do have the sail going throughout the sneaker. We do have the sail bottom base of the actual sole plate, dressing it with a yellow ochre bottom, and then here we got more yellow ochre around the toe box, going up on the eyelids of this actual Jordan here. Then we just go around to the anklet of this actual sneaker, right around to the back, and this yellow ochre is actually in a nubuck form. All right, not no hair suede, not no light suede. It is a nice nubuck finish. So again, pretty good textures. I think they did a phenomenal job with it. Again, man, standard tone, nice thin padded tone. We do have the yellow ochre inside with the black Nike Air Nike in the inside of it as well. Again, we did get a extra pair of laces with these. Now, you already know how we do in every video, guys. Let me know in the comments what colorway would you go with. All right, would you go with the yellow laces, or would you go with the nice sail laces that come with this actual sneaker here? To me, I am still feeling the black, but hey, I mean, I'm just saying, you let me know, guys, what you guys think. Now we're gonna talk about what the black finishes is on this actual sneaker right now. We do have this Nike swoosh in all black. We do have the Air Jordan wings here in all black as well, and we do have a dressed up nice tumble black in leather right here on the top of this actual anklet of the sneaker. As you look at that tumble on this right here, now just to let you know, all the tumble is in leather. That is the all black, the white paneling, it is all leather right now. So again, dressing this sneaker up here, fine job. Starting the new year out with this is actually pretty darn good. My preference. I know a lot of people, or I did hear of a lot of people saying that it was trash and was it worth the cop? 180 bucks. They can wait for it to go on sale, things like that. Again, guys, I don't think you're gonna find too many Jordan 1 highs or anything like that getting below 180 or things like that. I think in the economy we live in now, guys, this is the best it's gonna get. So again, 180, I think it's well worth the buy. Guys, let me know which one would you go with. Would you go with the black lace? Would you go with the actual white or sail lace right here? Again, I think a phenomenal start this year. 2024, I think it's gonna be a great year for sneakers again, guys. And plenty more sneaker videos to come. And guys, I must say, I truly do appreciate all the love that I got on the last sneaker video as well. Again, 2024, we're here to bring more sneaker videos. And yeah, of course, you know how my channel is. We got sneakers and gaming, so that's why we call it Gaming Kicks. That's what we do, and that's all I got, guys. We do have a little tag here that actually is in, I don't know what language that is, guys. I don't know. It won't adjust, but anyway, but it does have a writing on it here. But as far as that, it tells you on this tag, it says, please note that the upper material is nubuck leather. Top color of the base color of leather will pollute the shoe during manufacturing process, and the color will be brushed off after wearing, which is normal for the leather application. All right, so there it is. Quite know what that means, but hey, I just want to read to you guys. It's part of the shoe, so I read it. All right, but yeah, that's all I got, guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Again, do you think it was a cop? Do you think it was a pass? And again, like I said, black colorway. Black laces of this sneaker, or would you go with the actual sail laces? Again, preferably it's your preference. I'm pretty sure it's depending on what you have on, what you wear. But yeah, I'm digging the black laces for me. But most likely it'd be swapped out according to what we wear. All right, but as far as I got, man, love and blessings. Thank you so much all the love and support on the videos. And yo, we'll be back with more sneaker videos. So we catch you on the next one, y'all. Peace.